This is the unveil. We're bringing home new quail to integrate into the cubby. And these are Japanese. Hi, ladies.
Hello.
These girls are about, let's see here, I think she said a month. How old are they?
Yeah, I think they're 4 weeks.
4 weeks, yeah. So I'm gonna actually put them in the outdoor run for a little bit and let them work off some stress of being cooped up in the car as we made our way home, and we're going to get the little button babies next. Okay, here we go. Look at the babies. Oh my goodness.
I mean, they're small. Like, that one's real tiny.
They're so tiny.
But
they're feisty.
they are feisty.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that brooder might only be big enough for like half of them. For like one box.
Uh-huh. Okay, girls, we're gonna have to switch the... Oh, look at the little itty bitty guy.
I know, the little tiny one. You're the idiot bittiest.
Oh my word. Okay. Okay, and these are the Italians. So the brown ones are the Coturnix, and these are the little Italian ones. All right, we're gonna get them set up in the brooder. Brooders, plural. They're a little bit bigger than I was anticipating. Stay tuned. All right, folks, so here's the situation. I made a makeshift brooder for the pickup today of the quail, and when I got them into the makeshift brooder, I very quickly realized that it's not big enough. So I'm making another brooder to give them more room. So the first thing I did is I cut the lid. I used a box knife, and I cut an opening in the lid. Oh look, it's like a window. And the reason that I did this is because they need oxygen, and they're going to be inside of a tote, and I don't want them to suffocate. So now I'm going to use the, I think it's called utility wire. I'm used to calling it chicken wire, but this is smaller gauge. So I'm going to affix that to the very top of this all the way around. And then I'm going to flip it over and do it on the other side so that no predators can get in there. Cats or mice or anything of the sort. So here we go. First layer is cut, and I'm using my feet to hold it down because I think anyone that's worked with this material before knows how it likes to roll and flip around. So just trying to keep it anchored, and now I'm going to staple it onto the top of the lid. All right, first layer is on. Not as clear as it was the first time, right? Now we have this utility cloth, or utility wire, excuse me, to help keep out anything that wants to get at the quail. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the reverse side. And I'm going to alternate the squares here so that absolutely nothing can get through. Okay, the second layer is on, and now I'm going to put some absorbent pads in the bottom of this tote and get the babies transferred into this new location. I'm going to do 2 to begin with, and I'm going to put some chips over these. They're old enough that they can be on the pine chips, so that's good. And yeah, let's get them transferred in, and then I'll bring their water and their feed in. Well, they were hungry, and here they are, enjoying an afternoon lunch after some pretty stressful travels. And I have the larger ones in one brooder and the smaller ones in another. And they're enjoying their lunch. Phew! Okay, here are the bigger girls. They've been in the enclosure, the outdoor enclosure, cooling down and foraging, which is really nice to see. One of them got right in there and took a dust bath. Can you see her in the corner there? Oh, they're beautiful. I think the girls are going to be all right.